How to use or redeem Fashion Nova gift card. Well, to use or redeem Fashion Nova gift card, you want to open up Fashion Nova. Once you have opened it up, you want to head into the Me tab. Now I'm using the app. If you're using the web as well, you want to head into your profile and head into gift card section. On the app, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner, and then you can see gift cards option right here. Tap on it. Now here I don't have any gift cards associated with my particular account email, so I can tap on purchase a gift card and I can add it to my bag and I can purchase a gift card, right? Now to redeem it, I can head into web as well, and I can head into Fashion Nova redeem this way, and you should get the link here. You can see here, check gift card balance option. If you want to check your gift card balance, this is not to redeem it. Now to redeem it or use it, you can also head into the app. Once you head into the app, you can proceed to check out your item. On the checkout page, you'll be able to use your gift card as your particular payment method, and you can select it as your payment method here. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.